Okay, so finally going into the heart of CES, which is LG. And LG is like all about TVs. There's TVs everywhere. TVs, and more TVs. Okay. Wallpaper TV, which they debuted. Greatest and thinnest. So let's just see how thin is thin. That's how thin it is thin. I know, it's just like, I don't know how thin is thin. But let me zoom in a little bit. That's how thin is thin. It's insane. You can, I guess, that's how thin is thin. That's like a quarter of an inch. That's about what it is. The screen is, the phone is not going to do justice with the screen, but the screen is incredible. So this is Cloyd. Cloyd is the robot from this is the robot that's supposed to help you with your home.
Don't forget to come back. We will be doing our demo presentation at 1 p.m. for our fully autonomous robot Cloyd.
So Cloyd is the one that's going to help you around your house. Supposedly it's full scrolling, which they'll do right there. That's Cloyd right there. Take a photo with Cloyd. There's all the cool
Our
stuff.
demo
Our
presentation for our fully autonomous robot Cloyd will be starting at 1 p.m. if you guys would like to join us. 1 p.m.
So here's another version of Cloyd.
If you weren't able to make it into line this time, we will be doing more photo events throughout the day and
Okay.
please don't forget to come by if you would like your
LGX Boom, which they launched last year. Oh, sorry. Life's good. Now these people in the Neewer, they make the things that you use to like hold your phones, and they make stands and things like that. Oh, this is always a good thing. I think I need to get this done. Cause what did they say? My dogs are barking. Yeah, my dogs are barked. Neewer. So they make all these things that you can hold. So you can stick your phone in. You can hold your phones. They're one of the companies that make them. Trying to make my way to the Venetian. This gives you an idea of how many people are here. So many people. Holograms. Excuse me a sec. I think when I was growing up, hologram was a thing, and then it just kind of died off. And so it looks like it is now coming back. It's leaking! No, it's just trash. Receptacles. Maybe placed in a position just in case it leaks. Haha! There's no rain in the forecast. They had rain Sunday it was. I was at an event and I came out and it was dry. It was wet. Insta 360. The things we do as humans at these shows is very funny. That's very, very funny. Okay, Insta 360, what are they up to?
I'm going to take them step by step.
They're selling everything inside. Look, it's a robot. I don't know what the robot's doing, it's just hanging out. It's not happy. Now, Insta 360, they give these bags out, and everybody have one. So talk about marketing. X-Real. That's what they start with. So it's been 10 years of Insta 360. And I have actually 2 of their cameras. That's Anne.